Next is heat, internal energy and work done. First is heat. देखिए व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हीट. हीट का क्या मतलब है? हीट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी विच गिव्स अस द सेंसेशन ऑफ हॉटनेस एंड द कोल्डनेस. हीट हमें क्या है, अगर कोई बॉडी हॉट है या कोल्ड है उसका हमें सेंस देती है. दिस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. तो कह सकते हैं हीट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी विच gives us the sensation of hotness and coldness. Second is internal energy. Internal energy, that is the sum of internal kinetic energy and the internal potential energy. So we can say that internal energy of the system is the sum of internal kinetic energy and internal potential energy. One thing is notable here, the internal kinetic energy is the function of temperature. If the temperature increase, the internal kinetic energy will be increased, and the internal potential energy is the concept of volume. ये जो है वॉल्यूम का कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. तो हम यहाँ पर द इंटरनल एनर्जी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय यू. Now third is work done. देखिए द वर्क डन बाय द सिस्टम और द ऑन द सिस्टम कैन बी कैलकुलेट बाय द टू मेथड. दो तरह से हम कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज एनालिटिकल मेथड. Suppose there is a cylinder which is filled by a ideal gas. ये कोई सिलेंडर है जो आइडियल गैस से भरा हुआ है. There will be a piston. ये यहाँ पर कोई पिस्टन लगी हुई है. This is dx whose area is A. Suppose this is the pressure P. Suppose P is pressure exerted by gas. A is cross sectional area of piston. When the gas is expanded, then what will be the force exerted to the piston when gas is expanded? The force applied on piston force, that is pressure into area. This is P into A. Now work done, देखिए वर्क डन क्या होता है, फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. द फोर्स इज P, दिस इज A. सपोज द पिस्टन इज डिस्प्लेस बाय dx. सपोज मान ले रहे हैं ds क्या है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट. अब we know that force area into dx, this is equal to the volume, so this is P dV. If we find net work done, this is V1 to V2 P dV. तो हम वर्क को जो है by using this formula we can also be determine the work done. Now we will discuss how can determine the work done by PV diagram. देखिए PV diagram or the indicator diagram which are the same. Indicator diagram means if we have two physical variable, if we draw a graph between the two physical variable, the graph will come, that is known as indicator diagram. Suppose that if we have draw a graph between pressure and volume, this is pressure P and B. Along the x-axis we are taking the volume and along the y-axis we will taking the pressure. Draw a graph, this is known as indicator diagram और PV diagram. इसी को PV ग्राफ भी कह सकते हैं, PV diagram भी कह सकते हैं. With the help of this diagram we can also be determine the work done. जैसे सपोज दिस इज A, दिस इज B, whose coordinate is P1 V1 and P2 B2. We have to find the work done by the process. Suppose this is expansion. For determining the work done, we have to draw a step. एक स्टेप हमें ड्रॉ करनी होगी. Suppose A, B, C and D, and this is C and D. Suppose a system goes P1 B1, that is A, to P2 B2 B. We have to calculate the work done by the gas from A to B to work done to A to B. This is area enclosed by step A, B, C, D. देखो suppose that this is the difference is dB. हम ये मान कर चलते हैं कि ये डिफरेंस dB है. तो the area of step हमारा क्या होगा, ABCD, then it will equal to P into dB. If we want to calculate the work done या net work done, total work done, that is area enclosed by the graph A, B, C, D, A. This is we can mathematically we can written as B1 to B2 P dB. तो with the help देखिए suppose this is B1, this is B2, है ना. तो हम with the help of this formula we can also be determine the work done in by the thermodynamical process.